Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, I am going to be doing a fall home decor haul. A lot of you guys have been asking if I have decorated for fall yet or if I've gotten any new things for my house, and the answer is yes. I feel like I'm a little bit behind. Usually I'm already, decorated by now, but I don't know. I feel like I'm just behind. I don't know why. I haven't been doing anything crazy that would delay me, but here we are. Better late than never. So I have a bunch of stuff here, and if you guys watch like my Vlogmas, you would know that I love decorating. Like, it's just my thing. I love just home decor, and I would say my style, I don't know, I'm kind of like farmhouse glam, if you will. I mean, I live in the country. I have kind of this, stone fireplace in the back, and that's just kind of what I based everything off of. I also have like a rustic planked wall back there, so that's kind of my vibe. So if you guys are into that, I'm going to get started. Let's see, I have some stuff from TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Michaels, Target, and yeah, let's just dive in. I have so many freaking bags here, and I don't even remember all the stuff they bought. So I'm gonna start off with Michaels, and that's just gonna kind of introduce the theme that we're going for. This year I decided to do something a little different. I'm not doing any bright orange pumpkins. I'm not doing like a lot of like yellowy or burgundy stuff. I wanted to do a little bit more muted and neutral tones, so I had to get basically all new stuff. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the first piece that kind of inspired everything. So this is like a piece of garland that I got. I'm gonna probably put this on my dining room table, or I might put some on my mantelpiece up there. I'm just gonna wrap it around and do some Britney Spears, I'm a Slave for You with my garland. No, I don't know. Anyways, this is the garland that we have. So it's kind of like this muted green. It has pine cones, these little berries, some gourds on there, and the colors of the flowers on here I just fell in love with. So it's kind of like these peachy light pastel oranges instead of like a bright in your face orange. So it has like these flowers on there, this little, I don't know what kind of flower that is. I'm not a florist. I'm not a botanist. I don't know much about that, but this kind of just inspired everything that I decided to get. So I actually ended up getting 2 of those. I won't show you the other one because it's just so in your face. But then what else did I get from Michaels? I got this cute little bouquet, and I just have like these little like milk jar things that I just change the floral arrangements inside of them throughout the year depending on the season. So I got this little one, which again, I love the tones of this. It's kind of like a blush color. Yeah, kind of like a blush color, and I just thought this was so cute. And I think these are like supposed to be eucalyptus leaves or something like that, and that's kind of in that floral garland as well. And because I spent $1 million there, they gave me a free pumpkin spice chai candle with purchase. I haven't even smelled this yet. That smells really good. And obviously this is super cute, this little kind of coppery container. And I don't know, maybe I'll just put this in my bathroom or something. I also got a few pumpkins, and I'm probably gonna put these just on random tables, like my dining room table. I have like a little bit of side tables, like buffet tables, coffee tables, end tables, so I'll just probably put a pumpkin on all of them. So again, I went with white pumpkins. These actually have like a rose gold little stem, which is the cutest thing ever. This one does not have that. I don't know if I'm gonna go as far as painting it, probably not, because I just don't put that much effort into like anything. So I love a good white pumpkin though. I got this Burlap Runner. I'm not sure if it's gonna be long enough because I always forget how long my dining room table is, but it's a Burlap Runner just to put down the middle, and it has like these ruffles on the end. So I thought that was really cute, and that farmhouse vibe. I also got some of these floral hydrangeas, again with kind of like the blush mauve tone. I have a just big vase that, again, I change the florals depending on the time of year, so I decided to get these. Then we have these little guys. These pumpkins literally just stole my heart and just ran away. They are so cute. They're like peach pumpkins, peachy pumpkins, and they're just the cutest little things I ever saw. And again, I'm gonna probably put these like on my table runner. I'm not decorating yet because I still have to take down all of my spring and summer decor. I don't know, I'm slacking. I don't know why. And then lastly from Michaels, I got this little guy, just kind of like a greenish yellowish speckled pumpkin. Just cute, and it just goes with the whole theme. So I believe that's everything that I got from Michael's. Let's move on. I'm gonna be just sitting in a pile of pumpkins here, and I'm so excited for it. Okay, next is TJ Maxx. So I just went there today and I found this little guy. Like, how cute is this? So this doesn't exactly go with that theme. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet. I'm thinking maybe I'll put it in the background of my beauty videos, because you guys know my makeup room is kind of like that minty color. So I saw this with the gold stem and I'm like, oh my god, I need to have that. But I also felt this way about a lot of pumpkins that I saw. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of them. Ooh, then is a sign. I freaking love signs. So next is this sign, and it just says pumpkins for sale. Obviously you guys can read, but it says pumpkins for sale. I probably could start selling pumpkins. I'm gonna have so many, but they'll be fake. I just thought this is the cutest little sign, and I love that it's gray, that whitewashed gray look. I think it's really cute. It has this, I don't know if you guys can see, but the paint of the pumpkin is kind of like a rosy gold, and it's like metallic. I thought it was the cutest thing ever, so I got that. I'm not telling you the prices of anything, because then you guys will add it up and then you'll judge me for how much I spent on decorations. Okay, I got 2 pillows from TJ Maxx. So first is this one. How freaking cute and cozy and soft. It says thankful. I'm so thankful that I found this, because I love this color. I love just greens, like greens are my thing. And it has this gold bead and it says thankful. So that's for like Thanksgiving, but I don't really care that that's like 2 months away. I just thought it was cute and it goes with the vibe. So we're continuing on. Then I got this other pillow. It's just like a beige with this gold beaded pumpkin pattern on it. Thought it was really cute. I have 2 like club chairs, or like 2 like recliners over here, and I like to just put like really pretty pillows with them. So you can see them like right when you come up the stairs. You just have like a nice little sitting area that nobody ever sits at, but I got some Glam pumpkin pillows to put there. I don't even know what's in here. It's like unwrapping and pull this stuff in. Oh yes, this little guy. Also from TJ Maxx. This will probably be in the background of my beauty videos now that I'm seeing it. I kind of forgot about it. It's this cute little pumpkin. It says blessed. It's this minty bluish green color with the gold. I'm just obsessed. I mean, how cute. Is this gonna be the thumbnail? Probably not. So I think that's it for TJ Maxx. Now I'm gonna go to Home Goods, which is basically TJ Maxx but better. But would you look at this? I don't know if it's supposed to be leopard, but it looks like leopard to me, and that's why I bought it. So it's this glass pumpkin, and it's actually like really heavy, and I feel like the glass is really thick. Like I don't feel like it's going to break on me, which is good. So it looks like this. I mean, can you just see how gorgeous this is? I believe these are like hand blown or something. I could probably be making that up. But it just looks like a little leopard pumpkin, and it's so cute and glam, and this is probably gonna be in my beauty room too. I don't know, everything's gonna be in there. All right, and then we have another pumpkin. And this one I also thought for my makeup room. I'm gonna need a game plan, I don't know. But I thought it was so cute because it has these little eyes with eyelashes on the front. I mean, how could I not put that in my makeup room? I needed it. I don't remember buying any of this. Okay, this is just too much, because there's 2 more pumpkins. Why did I do this? I also have this one, which is super freaking cute. It's like this rose goldy. Don't know where I'm putting that. Oh, look, we bought another one. It's studded though. It is like a sweater and it has studs. I feel like I probably bought something like this last year. Oh my god, I think I did. I need help. This is why I need to go through my shit prior to going to the store, because this is just a mess. Then I got these. These aren't really fall related, but they're just little dish towels, and they say Fresh Produce Farmers Market, because that's the vibe. That is the vibe, and it kind of goes with the color scheme of the pumpkins. Yeah. Okay, next is Target, and there are no pumpkins from Target that I'm aware of, because they didn't have like any fall stuff out at Target, really. Like, there was nothing. And I feel like that happened last year. Like, there was nothing, and then all of a sudden there was everything in the middle of October, and I was just kept buying more, so I don't know. Okay, so I totally forgot about this one blanket from TJ Maxx, so we gotta rewind. It is just kind of like this, I don't know, just like striped, and I loved it. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. So it's just like a beige and white stripe, and it has like fringe at the end, and it is like reversible. So it just reverses to, you know, the reverse. So white with tan stripes, and I just thought it was really cute. And that's obviously something you could use all year round. Also, I can't believe I forgot this. This is a giant ass candle from TJ Maxx. It's called Sensational Falling Leaves. So I guess it's made from coconut wax. It smells super good, and I just love how gigantic it is. Just smells like the perfect fall scent. Like, I don't like too pumpkin-y or like too sweet of a fragrance. This one has just enough cinnamon and spice, and it smells so good. And I just love how big it is. Like, this is way bigger than like a Bath & Body Works 3-wick candle. This is 26 ounces. I'm not really even sure how much those ones at Bath & Body Works are. I feel like those are only like 12 ounces, and this is 26. So this is a big boy, and I'm excited to burn this. We're moving on to Target. So this is just a plain basic, you know, fuzzy fleece kind of throw. And again, the color, I feel like it just goes with the scheme that we're going for. It's a nice like teal color, and I just love this color in general. You guys know I keep just saying it. So if you didn't know, now you do know. Okay, so if I move a muscle, all of these are gonna come crashing. Also from Target, I got this little candle. I didn't go to Bath & Body Works and get my fall candles yet. I just haven't gotten a chance to. So I got this one, and it smells so freaking good. I guess it's not like super like fall, like it's not like a pumpkin candle, but it's called Vanilla Bourbon, and it smells so, so good. I don't even know. It doesn't really smell like vanilla to me. Maybe a little bit, but it just smells really, really good. And, you know, the packaging, it looks like fall. So then I have a few pillows from Target, and then we'll be done. Okay, so the first pillow I got from Target is this one. It is a cable knit sweater pillow, and it's pretty oversized. I mean, it's pretty big, and I want to take a nap, but it's so soft. It's kind of like a chenille material, and this you can, you know, have for fall, winter, spring, anything really, because it's just neutral and white goes with everything. So I really loved this. Also got this fuzzy little round pillow, because believe it or not, I don't have any round pillows. And I saw this guy and I was like, we need you. Des is gonna have a ball eating this one. Des, I don't know what happens. Like, if I'm not paying attention to her, like if I'm off making a video, she will just eat everything that I own. So I need to work on disciplining her. I'm not very good at that. Anyways, last two pillows I found in the clearance section. I thought they were just really cute. Again, very neutral. This one is just kind of like a sweater material again, and just goes with everything because it's neutral. I have a gray couch, so this goes with that. And then the last one, I couldn't believe I found this in the clearance section. It was $9. I thought it was so cute. So it's like this leathery, faux leather of course, but it's like this leathery chevron print. So the front is this material and the back is just like a soft material, but I thought this was so cute, and I'm like, how is this on clearance? Why is this on clearance? It's so cute. And I would have bought another one, but there was only one, so I snagged the last one. So if you live near me, sorry. Maybe they'll find another one and put it out for you, but that is it. Wow, I feel out of breath and overwhelmed by my pumpkin patch that I have going here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Mainly just all pumpkins, just pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of it yet, but I need to take down all of my spring, summer decor still, clean my whole house, and then decorate it all. So maybe like in a vlog next week, I will show you guys what it looks like. But I wanted to show you guys everything that I bought brand new for the season. That way, if you guys are interested in any of this, you can go get it. A lot of decorations that I already have are just old and I've had years and years and years. So I wanted to show you guys a whole new batch of stuff. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching. I need a glass of wine because now what am I doing with this? I have no idea. We're just gonna leave it on the couch here for a while. Bye.